You know that wall of text you get when you ask AI a question? What if instead you got a mini website back? That's the new dynamic view feature in Google Gemini. Let's take a quick look. Dynamic view is a feature in Google Gemini that allows you to build a custom interactive page right there in the chat experience. Instead of paragraphs of text, you might get tabs to click through, maps to explore, and even light calculators and planners that you can actually use. I use this to build this explainer page on Dynamic View, which includes all sorts of widgets and tabs that you can use to bring the knowledge to life. And that's because behind the scenes, Gemini is writing real code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript on the fly, just to answer your question. So basically you have a super fast web developer that'll build you a tiny application as a reply to your input prompt. Now this interactive visual is a big change versus standard text replies. So it can be kind of tricky to think about when exactly to use Dynamic View. To start, it's much slower than text-based replies, so it's not good for quick conversations or rapid iteration. But for topics where you want to go deep or interactions that you want to encourage, Dynamic View can be really powerful. Basically anything you could benefit from visuals, tabs, clicking around, that's going to be your cue. I'll show you a couple use cases we've seen out of the gates. The first is interactive explainers, either for yourself or that you can share with colleagues. Check out this audience profile I whipped up here, has different tabs for key elements, certainly much more interactive than a PowerPoint, and took me a fraction of the time to build. I just uploaded some research, clicked Dynamic View, and it spun this up for me. Another key use case is any scenario where you want to test real input-output calculations without going into Excel, such as a conversion model. Here we've built a tool that we can play with our input assumptions and see how conversion behavior might change for an upcoming holiday season as a result. As you can see, this is a bit more fun to interact with than Excel. To use Magic View, just open the Gemini app and click that Tools icon in the prompt box. Then select Dynamic View and make whatever request you'd like, and you'll receive back that interactive page. Now, as a quick heads up, it's still experimental, so results and availability may vary a bit. But that's about it. Gemini can now build you little interactive experiences instead of just giving you that text response. And if you match the tool to the task, it can be genuinely useful. Give it a spin.